Have you ever wondered what it's like inside a UNSW college? Come on in and we'll show you around. First up, what does a room look like? Rooms vary from college to college, but here's what a standard room would look like at Baxter College. You've got the bed, the study table, and the best bit, the view of the city.
If you're ever locked out of your room, we always have college staff on duty to assist you. We also have a 24/7 campus security team to ensure the safety of our residents.
One of the most used spaces is the common room. The common room is essentially your college equivalent of a family living room. So you can watch TV, play a game of table tennis, or a game of mahjong like we do at Big Tree Hall.
Maybe you have a green thumb and enjoy gardening. At International House, we pride ourselves in our courtyard garden and our tranquil koi pond.
There are a range of activities across the college, from sports competitions, supporting charity events, to something as simple as an afternoon barbecue on the ghosting rooftop. The calendar is filled up with events all year round, on and off the campus.
When it comes to studying, we've got you covered. Every college has designated 24/7 study spaces for those late night crunch times. We also hold academic mentoring sessions where seniors help younger residents with coursework.
Do you cook your own food? Is one of our most frequently asked questions. 6 out of 7 of our colleges are catered for by the dining hall, where there are new menus every week. Colombo House is the only self-catered college. You're able to cook your own food using our high-quality kitchen facilities. With over 35 nationalities in our college, there's always something different cooking up in our kitchen.
College is more than just living on campus. You become part of a community full of rich history and tradition, all while growing as an individual. College becomes your home away from home, where your friends become family. Hey Angela! Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on!